Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the solutions. The solutions offer an easy way to select and use predefined sets of filters and actions, such as artistic filters, background removal, frames, image enhancements, noise reduction, and many others, to accomplish complex tasks. To select a solution, first select the category of the solution from the Solutions menu. Here is the list of all categories for the solutions. This is the same list from the Solutions menu. This is the list of specific solutions in the selected category. You can see a description and usage guide for the selected solutions category here. Click the Preview button to see a preview of the selected solution. The Apply and Continue button will apply the current solution and keep the dialog open ready for additional solution applications. The Apply, Exit button will apply the current solution and exit the dialog. The Exit button will close the dialog without further changes. The Cancel All button will cancel all the solutions that have been applied since the dialog was opened.